Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Lidl. Not Lidl, Aldi. Yan, good morning pala sa inyo. I need to buy food, grocery, kasi nga busy kami, and at the same time nakakalimutan ko all the time mag-order online. So wait, ako naman. Wait nga lang. Yeah, so I think 2 is enough. Mag-quick shopping lang ako dito sa Aldi kasi wala na kaming strawberry and some fruits, and gusto pa naman ni Alexander ng fruits, so I need to buy for him. And wait nga, baka may soil sila dito, kuha din tayo. Pili pala ako ng flowers kasi yung yung butterfly until now nasa bahay, ayaw niya talagang umalis. Wait, eto baka sell ito. No, it's not. So ayaw niya talagang umalis, so let's buy 230. Mas mura ito eh. Or ito 299. Oh, here, this one mix 499. Yan, so far konti pa lang yung aking nabibili. Bumili ako nito cherries kasi sell siya. Tapos the first strawberry para kay Alexander, and then I need to grab more banana kasi nagkukulang na kami ng banana. Pero hindi kasi siya maganda ngayon na nasa labas yung mga fruits kasi nadadamage ka agad. 95 lang watermelon. Kuha tayo. Tapos itong mango, mas mahal yung mango. Here, 179. Okay. Ginaganon ko talaga, no? Pinipisil. So, yan. Kumuha din ako ng watermelon. 95 pence lang. Maybe lemon. Maybe not. I think sometimes kasi pag too much, nasisira na tuloy yung mga fruits. Hindi na kakain. Kaya konti lang. And then next time again. Yan. Kumuha din ako ng sweet potatoes. And let's see. Ano pa ba? Kunti lang sana yung pinuntahan. Ang pinunta ko dito talaga is strawberry para kay Alexander. Kasi nga, sa Tesco, nagpunta ako yesterday. Wala silang, meron sila dito. Nagpunta ako sa Tesco, wala silang strawberry. Thinking to buy this. It's only 14 pounds. But I feel like it's a little bit dark. Dark siya kasi dun sa B&M na nakita ko. But maybe I will grab it. I'm done shopping, guys. Okay. Puno yung aking sasakyan. So maybe I'll put it na lang in the front para hindi ko din makalimutan. Kasi last time, I forgot. Kalimutan kong bumili pala ng milk. Oh my God. Hello everyone. Lalabas kami ni Akam ulit dahil mag-search kami ng pots, flowers, plants. So hopefully may makita kaming gusto namin. Kasi gusto niya lagyan ng front ng bahay ng mga plants and flowers also, and yeah, and something for the garden. Hopefully we will find something good. Okay, bye guys. Because I don't need it. Don't need water, but I always prepare water for home.
And now you're drinking.
Yeah, and even
because I don't need water, and who I'm preparing for whom?
Yeah, I just taste it to know.
And then like just this. Okay, here you go. And babe, there's really nothing there. Yeah, I prepared for you.
Just prepare it for you, only for you.
I prepare it for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
So we are here in the place na, guys. Hopefully may magandang mga plants and pots. The important is the 2 and then the extra late, yeah. No. I put here so it's not going to. Nagutom. Andito na kami. Ang dami nila. Ano talaga to, pang garden talaga. Sobrang laki ng place, guys. It's so big. The babe and rocks, babe, oh. Arctic white. Look at. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan. Oh. I'm planning to buy pero. Yeah, like that. Yeah, but more nicer. This is not so nice.
Arctic white.
Yeah, but more like a glittery. This one is not glittery. More whiter.
I think the Arctic one is you cannot see because of the bark.
Ah, maybe.
Or like this one.
Yeah.
Polarized.
Yeah, we get it. Look at, oh, haha. Kasi yung friend ko guys, ang ganda ng garden nila. And you can see there, yeah, like, let's see what's the name of that. The one that you asked me a while ago. Huh? Look. Oh, yeah, the palm tree there. Like that, yeah. What is that name? Stepping stone. Stepping stone. Look. Combination rockery.
Oh, I like this one. I want in front.
Yeah, yeah.
Like this one.
So big already. Yeah. How much is it?
£200.
200 pounds?
Yeah. Why, it's less
maybe
than Vietnam or something?
Yeah, 150 and taller already.
Yeah?
150 and
Yeah,
taller.
because it's already with pot and everything.
It's pot also. And even
we can buy pots separately, yeah?
yeah, no, we will put it in more nicer. Maybe the smaller, a little bit smaller. Then maybe that one, maybe cheaper that one. Let's see. Oh, look at this.
Oh, this
200 is so nice.
Because
Yeah.
they cannot go around it for sure.
Olive ball, non-member price. Ah, they have for membership, babe. If you're a member, 200. If you're not a member, 300.
Oh.
It's like
But I think palm tree looks better.
yeah, palm tree, yeah. Let's see. This one looks nice. Summer premium planter, £20. And then let's see this one. Medyo mahal-mahal konti dito compared to B&M. Let me check this one. £12. Naghanap kasi mura kasi sa B&M guys. Mas mahal dito. May mga fish din sila dito. ang buhok niya pa. Ano ko kasi yan? Tinatch ko. They're smaller there. Not for sale. Customers. £12 each. Assorted. The racho. Look at babe. Look at them, babe. Maybe that is my gold. Our goldfish, babe, is like this. Racho, more expensive. Look at that temperature.
Because they're so big, you know?
Yeah.
Which is resting.
I want to buy this Nemo. Look at that.
We need to
Yeah.
filter
Yeah.
this time.
Yeah.
Not like, you know, from tap water from tap.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, how about one goldfish?
We
Yeah.
need to read how to take care of it first.
Look at, it's so cute. Look at guys, ang daming magaganda. I'm confused now what to buy. Kasi look at that. Oh, they have mix and match. 10 for sunflower. Is it? Oh, 6 for 10. Okay, I will get these roses. Yeah. And then here. Oh, this one also 3 for 10. Which is I like also. You know? Oh my god, I will buy so many. Like this one. Oh, they have even here. Like that. Oh my god, so many nice. So bee house. This is £20. Oh, £20 Buddha. Like it. Oh really? Oh okay. At least we can buy. Oh, this one, oh. Also it's nice. Oh, this one. It's like look, yeah. 129.
129, yeah. So this is
But it's not so healthy, babe. And it's more healthy than not healthy. Oh wow. Pronus. Oh, there is there. Yeah. Where's the pot then?
In the end.
Where? Ah, in the end. Ah, okay. This one is nice. Looking nice. Oh, this is palm tree or different?
This is not a palm tree.
Oh, so nice.
This is one. Like
Huh?
this one.
How much is it?
The same 130.
It's okay that one actually, but there's another one that we can bring now.
This one.
This one,
This
not
one.
so.
There.
Maybe this one. How much is it? I think this is the 200. Yeah.
Like that you have one.
Yeah. Okay, here.
And then you have all the pots.
Look like this stepping stone, yeah.
Look at
Oh,
the
look.
pots there. These ones are the biggest.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Massive.
Oh.
They're not that expensive actually.
Oh, really? Like how
You
much?
can buy, look, this one is 80 pounds.
80?
This one,
Uh-huh.
Then you have, look there,
Oh,
like that.
yeah.
Different colors.
Oh.
Like this one here. Do you like this one?
Which one? That I
On
like
the
like
left.
this one?
The big ones, yeah.
This one? It's okay, but it's like I don't like the color that much.
Yeah, but I was thinking like
To paint
this
it?
size?
But gray or something.
Yeah. Okay.
Like that here. I prefer like this. Huh? How much is it?
But it's too small. I want it to be wider.
Oh, they have a wider. How much is it?
Yeah, but it's too tall.
Total also.
Why so tall? Babe?
Oh, this one.
Look here, like this one. Maybe this one.
29 only. Oh, it's so cheap.
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
But what color? How much is it? Wait, there's no price.
100 or
100,
80, something like that, yeah.
Okay.
Or
Oh, like
one
this gray.
black.
This one I preferred. Like this color.
Yeah,
But it's so
this
heavy,
one.
yeah? Oh, 100 only, yeah. Like that, it's actually good.
Oh, yeah, babe.
Babe, yeah?
No way they can move it. Because if you put soil, that's the tree.
Yeah.
That's it.
So we buy it, but
maybe
there's
bigger,
one.
so it has more for the roots, yeah? But I think you have to measure it first.
So we
sure.
come back again here?
And come back with the measurement, yeah? So the
okay.
pots, I'm sure we will buy here because it's so much, you know,
This is the best
you can
place.
choose so much here. And it's not that far, yeah?
Yeah.
But the trees somewhere
Oh,
else,
even,
because
yeah,
the trees
if-
they have expensive, yeah?
Yeah.
Like this one, yeah.
Yeah, but that's actually that one I like it. Oh, they have here too, so it's okay already. Yeah. Oh, they have even gray. Yeah.
Different, yeah.
200 pound, but it's so big.
This one, yeah. 100.
Yeah. Before.
Maybe don't sit back in this one.
Yeah, while you're there. Yeah. Okay.
This one you can also, yeah?
No, like that because you need to move around. Like that.
You like it?
Yeah. Buy me this. Buy me this. Buy me that. Buy me that.
Yeah,
that.
all of
That.
it, yeah?
And that. And this. And also everything you can see here. Buy me, please. Oh, this one, babe, you can put umbrella also in the
All of
center.
them you can put.
Oh, this vase is like nice. How much is it? Oh, 940, babe.
This is some of the prices are ridiculous. But
Yeah.
you don't have to buy here.
Yeah. Look, they have there. Yeah.
Maybe the you can feel smell, you know? Yeah, the one on the left, the yellow one, like that.
Yellow?
I feel like that.
This
Yeah.
one?
No, here.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. Look at. I will buy this. This is only 13 pound. I like it because it's red, and then this one is like pinkish. 12.99 also. And then this, maybe I will add more of this because I just purchased 3. But maybe I will add more. Let's see. But I don't have enough pots. And then another roses here. Actually, maybe I get the red one. Where is it? Na kumuha pa si Apam ng trolley because they have many. Even they have like sunflower. Oh, this one is nice. 19 pound. They have really nice things here, guys. Do you think it's good choices I got or no? This one? Okay, choose. Why? You said you cover it. I joined the loyalty card. Yeah. So later on when we buy here pots like that, we have discount. And we can get some free plants. Huh?
The discount for pots, I don't think so.
Maybe no, but at least for plants like that, a little small. 40 for this. It's good.
Overall?
Yeah. Because 30, 40, and then 2 free. This one is free. Remember ako dito guys, dahil they will give you free sometimes. Free plant daw. I don't know if it's true. Maybe yung mga rejected na nila. Not so sure. Alam ba si Apam? What happened to him? Whew. Tapos yung palm tree. The palm tree, we can buy it in B&M tomorrow, okay? Can you be happy? Can you smile?
Yeah, because you need to hold those plants.
Maybe in my feet, babe, this one. So beautiful. I put it in the bigger pot. You know?
This the one
the gray one I have there?
I think it's too much because the roses don't have that big roots.
Okay. Okay. So I'll just buy a little bit smaller, okay?
I don't know what you can buy put in these big ones that you bought.
Sunflower.
Sunflower
doesn't need also? Okay. Maybe this plant? Huh?
But we're gonna put it in the
land? Okay. So don't worry.
Maybe because we're gonna buy 2
palm
pots
tree.
here,
Here.
for the front, for the palm tree anyway. So you can use them for a different tree.
Okay.
Maybe oil tree or something.
Okay.
Later on
Research,
in the
yeah.
future, that we will put in the garden.
Yeah. Slowly we will fix this garden. I film you because you're so handsome. Come on, like a model. Like a model now. Look, I bought so many roses. And you know, I can smell it. Yeah?
You're more into flowers, yeah?
I'm into flowers, yeah.
Because, for example, Paul more like veggies.
Yeah. But I like flowers, and rose especially is my favorite. They don't have red. That's why I grabbed this pinkish. Because if they have red, huh?
This is all roses?
6 for 10, yeah. It's okay because when it's Valentine's Day anniversary, you just pick there. You don't need to buy. Do you know how much is the rose? Like £4, £5. You can save. Yeah? And say, babe, happy Valentine's Day. I didn't forget to buy flowers for you. Because during winter, it's still okay, yeah? So, actually, I bought it for you so you can save. It's nice here, guys.
Okay.
Your water bottle.
Where?
No. Don't forget. Okay, it's good for you. It's good for you.
It's hard, like burning my skin.
It's okay. Actually, sobrang init talaga, guys. Sobrang init. May free akong flower din, yeah. So maybe in that pot, kasi nga may binili akong pots. I don't know kung ano yung gagawin ko doon. But with this one, ilalagay ko siguro siya sa para siyang entrance or something. Yeah. I will think kung ano yung gagawin ko. For the meantime, mga sapatos muna kasi nga hindi pa namin na-fix yung garden ko ano talaga yung gagawin. Basta bibili kami ng patio, yung sofa set. Tapos, parasol. Ang parasol, mga nasa 300. And then, yung sofa na, kasi ang gusto ko talaga yung malaki. Which is around 800 pound. Pero sabi niya, kung sobrang laki, wala nang space para sa garden. So, I said, okay, we'll buy smaller na lang. Kasi during winter, guys, yung summer dito, 2 months lang naman or something. Smaller na lang. So, meron akong nakita na 400 pound. Or maybe even I can see cheaper soon. And then yun na lang. I'm thinking lang sa grass kung anong gagawin. And then later on we will buy like stepping stone. Mga ganun. Parang slowly lang every year. Hindi lang biglaan. Kasi sa totoo lang, ganito mainit now sa UK, pero most of the time malamig siya, so wala kami sa garden. So yeah, but ang garden din kasi namin, nakita nyo, diba? Hindi siya super laki. But yeah, anyway, oh my god, ang init. Yung phone ko umiinit, guys. Okay, nandito na si Afam, guys. Nag-aaway kami nito all the time. Mga mainit yung ulo namin dahil sa weather. I love you.
I love you too.
Mm.
Don't feel me, babe. I don't like it.